This is what your ROS2 robot will see by the end of this video. First, the URDF. We add a new link called Lidar_link, a small cylinder, and attach it on top of base_link with a fixed joint. Next, inside a Gazebo block referencing that link, we declare a sensor of type GPU_Lidar. Topic name scan, frame ID Lidar_link, update rate 10 Hz. The ray block sets the scan pattern. 360 samples around the full circle, range up to 10 meters, with a small Gaussian noise. In our custom Gazebo world we add obstacles, plus the sensor's plugin. Without that plugin, the GPU_Lidar never actually fires. In the launch file, we add /scan to the bridge, laser scan from Gazebo into ROS2. To run it, first build the package with Colcon and source the workspace. Then start 3 terminals, ROS2 launch, RViz, and the keyboard teleop. And here it is. Every obstacle around the robot lights up as red points in RViz, shifting live as we drive. Your robot can now see. Full code is on GitHub, link in the description. Subscribe for obstacle avoidance next.